Imagine like being able to like crying your guts out and repeating how your brother was beaten to death, and the very people or system that oversaw, his care and the custody are still denying responsibility.
For nearly a decade, Yusuf Fakiri has been seeking justice for his brother Solomon. The 30-year-old was in the throes of a mental health crisis when he died during an interaction with guards at an Eastern Ontario prison. Family claims the province has never apologized and hasn't made any movement on dozens of recommendations that came from a coroner's inquest 2 years ago.
None of those recommendations have been implemented by the Ontario government. Not one.
Solomon had schizophrenia and was taken into custody in 2016 for allegedly stabbing a neighbor during a psychotic episode. He was awaiting a mental health assessment when he died on a cell floor after being punched and struck repeatedly, pepper sprayed, shackled, and covered with a spit hood. 7 years later, the inquest deemed his death was a homicide. The NDP's Kristen Wong-Tam has been supporting the family and claims this is only a growing crisis.
The Premier is ignoring what is very obvious, and there is a pattern in Ontario jails. Every institution is overcrowded and understaffed. Corrections officers are being asked to do more and more with less and less, including be mental health professionals. People with serious mental health illnesses are left in lengthy solitary confinement by default simply because they are understaffed.
According to the Ministry of the Solicitor General, the government has established a new health services division to ensure those in custody receive the care they need, including support with mental health and addiction issues. And without giving any specifics, the Premier says the minister is taking action.
He's doing a great job, and we're going to continue doing a great job. And the other thing, what we need, we need to build more correctional facilities and make sure they're state of the art. But do you know what? At the end of the day, stay out of the jails. Stop breaking the laws, and you won't have anything to worry about.
A response the Fakiri family calls tone deaf.
These people didn't choose to go to jail. They need help. They were sick. We're not against you. We're willing to work with you. But if you're going to continue to double down, we're going to continue to fight back with our fellow Ontarians, because for us, this is life and death.
Now, Fakiri says he doesn't want his brother's legacy to be how he died, and he will continue to fight for justice and change within the system. At Queen's Park, Shauna Hunt, City News.